Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Saturday,
very good. Next, January, February,
January,
hmm,
March,
hmm,
April,
hmm,
January,
hmm,
January,
hmm,
January,
hmm,
March,
hmm,
April,
hmm,
May,
huh,
June,
huh,
July,
huh,
August,